Previous video we did a chain stitch start and stop, so it won't unravel, and it was just with the serger thread that was in the machine. What I've done with the machine is I've taken out the serger needle and I put in a top stitch needle, same size, number 14, but with a top stitch needle which just has the larger hole, eye hole, and I put 2 threads through it. And I'm using Gutermann, a slightly better thread. So I'm putting 2 threads through the eye. And I have it set up just like before. I'm going to take my fabric, put it in the the chain stitch. Position it where I want the chain stitch to start. I'm going to lower my presser foot. Advance 1 full stitch hand by hand. And then chain stitch just like before. Stopping 1 or 2 stitches before the raw edge. Needle in its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Tip the front up. Pull the 2 threads forward. Trim them. Gently pull the fabric to the back. Trim the looper thread. Now you have a slightly thicker thread for the front of the garment using 2 threads. You can even use 3 threads with the top stitch needle. The chain stitch is a lot more flexible with the types of threads you can use versus the sewing machine.